mustard and mustard.
How about a hot dog on a stick?
And a stick and a mustard.
Oh, okay, I'll get it. Okay, there you go.
Thank you. This is too much.
Oh, it's too much food?
Yeah. I didn't eat it. All done.
Okay. Do you want a drink too?
No, thank you. I need drink.
There you go.
No, there's too much.
Oh, okay.
There's too much. Go, go, go. Another.
Yummy.
Do you have kind of dessert? We have a dessert.
What kind of dessert?
We have a kind of dessert, Mommy.
Why don't you ask me, what kind of dessert do you have? No, you say, what kind of dessert do you have?
Kind of dessert we have.
Okay, we have ice cream and chocolate cake.
Okay, thank you.
What do you want?
Can I have chocolate cake and ice cream?
Oh, yummy, okay.
Can I have pink ice cream?
Okay.
Pink ice cream. There's too much. I don't need this. I need this. I don't need everything. I need ice cream. I need a spoon. I need the spoon. Oh, who's Fluffy?
Hey.